Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. When it comes to your beauty routine, sleep may be the closest thing there is to a fountain of youth. Our skin can focus on repairing itself while you sleep, and our skin makes new collagen when we sleep, which prevents sagging and delays skin aging. When you sleep, your skin's blood flow increases, and the organ rebuilds its collagen and repairs damage from UV exposure, reducing wrinkles and age spots. When you don't sleep well for some time, your skin will look dull and your skin will age fast. Today, I'm going to share with you some acupressure points which you can massage to improve your sleep. You can massage them before you sleep every night so you can sleep better. It is especially good for those with insomnia and people who have difficulty falling or staying asleep. The first acupressure point is called Hercules in Chinese. It is very easy to find. It is located between the bone of your thumb and index finger. This is the exact location of this acupressure point. How to massage this acupressure point? You just need to hold your palm, then use the tip of your thumb and press the point like this. 3 minutes for each hand. You should use some force when massaging it. This point should feel sore when you massage it. This point is one of the most important acupressure points of our body, and it is used to treat many different kinds of health problems, such as insomnia, headache, dizziness. It can improve your sleep by making you fall asleep easier and sleep deeper. The second acupressure point is called 内关穴 in Chinese. Here is the first wrist line on your inner arm. 2 inches below the first wrist line, about the width of 3 fingers. You should be able to feel 2 large tendons here. The point is located in between these 2 large tendons. Here is a picture of the exact location. Hold your wrist like this and press this point using the tip of your thumb. Be firm while pressing it, but don't press too hard until it hurts. Press this point 3 minutes for each hand. Massaging this point regularly before you sleep can help to calm your nervous system and improve your sleep quality. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button if you like my video. Remember to click the bell button too to get notified about my latest videos. Thank you.